Hello everyone and welcome to this week's SMB. I hope everybody is enjoying the sunshine, but let's go to the charts first. So first things first, let's start off from the daily. What can I see? That we have a big bearish W, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are in the fifth leg. But also we made a double top right here and a smaller bearish W. So a pattern within a pattern. So if I draw my fib from the last low to the previous high, right here, and I will place my zone on the first structure from the 6180. I have my daily zone right here. So with this in mind, the daily is clear for me. So let's go to the weekly and see if we have the criteria needed. So first things first, let's start off with the trend. The official trend is still bullish because from this low and this high, we are making relief. But we are in a downtrend from December 2022. So we are pretty long in a downtrend. So for me, the actual trend is at this moment bearish. So trend we have width. The last candle close is pretty bearish. And then the zone. What can I see? If I put my horizontal ray on the zone, we actually have two zones, this one and this one, where we're trading between. And if I'm putting my zone right here, what I can see then is that we have the support zone with pretty big support here, one-time resistance, support. We broke below and now it's acting as resistance for the third time. So that's pretty nice to see. And we touched this zone as well, but we didn't make a new action yet. So I take this zone as the last touch zone and activated the bears, as you can see from the candle. The zone also with us. Why it's not working. And then the last one, the fib. And if I draw my fib from the last low to the previous high, then we are still in this activated fib from here to here in the fifth leg. So let's place the weekly TP and round it off, of course. We can discuss this because we made a new lower low right here. So if I draw the fib from the last low here to here, we didn't activate a new fib, but because we are still in this older fib and bigger fib, I count it as with me. So the fib is also with me, but it doesn't really matter because we had already 2 out of 4, but it's 4 out of 4. So that's why this is a prime setup in my eyes. Then the last thing, let's go to the 4-hour. What can I see here? We've tapped the zone and we formed a head and shoulders with shoulder 1, the head, and possible shoulder 2. And what is also nice to see, if I make my zone a little bit bigger to the left, there's a lot of resistance right here, support right here, resistance, and a lot of support right here, also a small resistance here, and we made the momentum retest already on this zone. So pretty big chance we made a resistance on the zone as well. So if I also draw the fib, we are slightly below the fib, but this doesn't matter because the plan says we can take the trade. So I will put my zone right here and round it off to the downside, my entry, sorry, and also my TP, and also round this one off to the upside. And then the last thing that I want to see, we had a break of structure right here, because this was a new high right here. So this was the last low in my eyes. So we have a break of structure. That this means that we can place our stop loss 10 pips on above the wick from the left shoulder. So let's do that. Then we have 18 pips, which made a pretty nice trade from a risk to reward of 4.06. And to finish it off, let's put the daily TP as well on the 750 round number, and let's remove the fib. So this was the setup that I'm currently looking at and my Sunday market breakdown. Thank you all for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.